Hello guys, so today I will show you toggle button in Flutter. Toggle button one type widget. You can see this output. So first of all, create new dart file. Name is toggle buttons. Import material library, and then create a stateful class. And name is same of the dart file toggle buttons. Return scaffold in the app bar title text in toggle buttons. Same it is all file name same. Text style color white, background color blue, and center title is true. In the main.dart, run this file toggle buttons and run it. Wait sometimes, then you can see output will be displayed. So I will create a two list. List is boolean. First list name is icon. In I will icon three icons toggle button, so create a 3 times false. And second list is a text for text button. I'll use 2 text buttons, on and off. So in the body I will create column widget. Main axis alignment is center, cross is center, and in this children I'll create 3 icons. First is smiley, second is print, and third is tree. Okay, and then Control S, the output will be displayed. Cut this 3 icon. In the children I use toggle button, and icon is select is icon, and Control V paste here. So icon list is select is icon list because this is icon button. I can wrap with the center. So all color is blue. Then fill color is lime, and selected color will be black. This is not working because I don't have use onPress. So create your onPress method. In the onPress method write index, set state in set state, icon index equal to icon index. Same it is here. Okay, and then Control S, null check mark, and Control S. You can see output working perfectly. The lime color, black color, and blue colors. Selected color you can change pink to pink, and all color is blue. Fill color is lime. So use sized box, height 20. Copy this and paste here. Remove the icons and create text on and text off. So on off button is select is text. Second list name is text, and change these colors. Remove the colors. Fill color is orange and selected color is white. Control S. You can see the display. So thank you for watching this video.